Sarah.
Hi.
So first of all, congratulations on your wedding. A few days ago you asked us to give you the recipe of our mother's all-in-one salad. So today we took the time to make a video and to show you how to make it. First, Lotte is going to tell you what the ingredients are.
First of all, carrots, then pepper, tomatoes, eggs, lemon, potatoes, asparagus, cheese, celery, then sauce, but that's for later, cheese, and at last butter.
So first of all, you take your carrot, but you don't take the peel off because that's what makes the salad special. You cut them in little pieces. It's pretty, eh? You take the carrots and put them in the bowl.
I'll be your assistant.
Then if it's too big, you just put it in two. We don't use this piece. And put it in a bowl. After that, you take the asparagus. You need to cut them in little pieces, but it's easy. So. And put them in the bowl. You take the other piece. Because this one is very difficult, we're going to cut it in two. And put them in the bowl. This piece is not good. Then you take the potatoes. You don't take the peel off because that's what makes the salad special, like I said before. And cut them into little cubes. Don't make the cubes too big because or else they won't cook. It's not difficult. Cut them in two. Then you start cutting. And put them in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Of course, we are going to make a little salad because we're only two. But for you, I don't know for how many persons you're going to make it, so you just choose. After that, you take the cheese. We're going to take this little piece. And because it's not very easy to cut it, you're going to be very careful and take a little knife. After you have cut that, you take it put it in a bowl. Our tomato, you're going to cut it just in two. You don't need to cut it in more. If you want to cut it in more, you just do it. We are just going to cut it in two. You must think it's very weird to take the egg, but we are going to make later on. We're going to make an omelette and cut the pieces and put them in the bowl. Or you can just boil it, but now we don't have much time, so we're just going to make an omelette. When you're done with that, you take the pepper. Oops. And just put it like this. We opened it to have the more flavor, but you just put it here and it will just give its taste to the rest of the ingredients. So, I'm done. And now, we take the celery. Because I know you don't really like celery, you're just going to take one piece just for taste. It's not going to taste a lot, but just the flavor is extraordinary. to rest. So now we're done. You take the lemon. And let it soak in it. Later on you will understand why. So now Lotte is going to explain how to make the sauce.
You need 3 things for the sauce. Ketchup, Tabasco, and a special sauce. Actually, you can choose which one, but I chose soya sauce. We'll take 1 spoon of ketchup for the color. And it's good with the tomatoes. I'll put it in a... then a half spoon of the soya sauce. And a few drops of Tabasco. Then you mix everything carefully. It's very important to do it with love. It smells good, doesn't it?
It smells great.
I'll put it over here, and then I'll take the cheese, the Gruyere. It's very good for the taste. Just a bit of cheese. Then the Chavroux cheese. Also 1 teaspoon. Not too much because the taste is really... and at last, the butter. You'll think, why do we need the butter? But first we'll melt it, and then we're gonna put it in the salad. Now I'm gonna do the sauce over the salad. We made it a bit fast, but the results we have in the fridge.
So now I'm going to show you what it really has to look like after you've done everything. It's really good and it looks beautiful. You can add spaghetti if you want to, but you don't have to.
We did it with potatoes. It's also good.
Because potatoes and spaghetti is almost the same. So here we didn't put potatoes, but because we know you don't really like spaghetti, we put spaghetti in here, but not there. So I hope we really helped you. And you can send us the recipe of your mother's famous stekken frites.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me.